Alright, here's a quick vid on how to program these Delorean sound effect boxes. Or, well, sound effects box you can get from Digikey, but yeah, you just plug it in and it shows up as a thumb drive. So you can see there's no drive there. Let's plug in the USB real quick. You see that removable disc showed up. So you open that. Over here have the sound effects. We'll do the plutonium out key buzzer one. Just drag and drop, copy it over. I guess there is an old file on there. This one's brand new, so we'll just delete that other file. Yes. So now there is just that one file on that. And unplug it. Apply power. And it's just that easy. So yeah, it's basically just a thumb drive, and copy paste the MP3 and apply 12 volts, and that's all there is to it.